Hello everyone, this is Jason here, bringing you another video of How Do You Cook That? Today we will be featuring snow pea tips, or in Mandarin, dou miao. In this video we'll show you how to clean and prepare them, and then a quick and simple way to prepare them to make them delicious. The pea tips featured in this video today were handpicked from our organic farm. Most of the time you will find them in the supermarkets cut instead of handpicked to reduce time and labor costs. So don't be surprised when you see them in bunches and cut long. Since the ones in the supermarket have been cut, they are very tough. We handpick them because every plant is different, so every piece has a different length for where to harvest to be tender. When choosing them from the market, don't give in to the misconception that small and tiny means tender. Depending on the produce, most of the time bigger is better because the produce got enough nutrients to grow big and healthy. Another thing to think about is the time of year or season they were harvested. Snow pea plants do best in cool temperatures, so starting from early fall to right before it gets really cold yields the best tasting plants. What I'm doing right now is showing you how to properly prepare them so when you saute them they're very manageable and easy to eat. Certain parts of the pea tendrils are tough, and what I'm showing you right now is how to remove certain parts of it. The ones that are usually tough are usually the long whisker-like part of the plant, and also the very bottom portion of where the plant was harvested. Now we're going to prepare some garlic to saute with the pea tendrils. Usually I use about 4 pieces, but depending on how much you like and how much pea tendrils you're using, it will vary. I'll be turning on the stove. I usually set it at high first to get a good saute of the garlic to make sure the garlic flavor goes into the oil. You can choose any kind of oil you want. I use what I have right there, which is grapeseed oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, up to you. The actual cook time for the pea tendrils won't take that long, usually no longer than 5 minutes. Once the garlic flavor has gotten into the oil and the garlic has turned very light brown, it's a good time to toss in the pea tendrils. The last part is to add the salt. Usually add about 2 pinches of salt, but depending on how much you're making, you could add a little bit more. I tend to like it a little bit less salty to enjoy more of the pea tendril flavor. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like my video and subscribe to How Do You Cook That. Once again, my name is Jason, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thank you. Bye.